Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic setting for this watch, Casio G-Shock AW591, and also the same for AW590. Okay, first maybe you need to be in the timekeeping mode. You can press the mode button several times until you hear the high pitch beeping sound like this one. Okay, and now as you can see here on the left side, there's a digital dial that's showing the second. And on the right side, there's the day, Friday, and you can change this one by pressing the forward button on the bottom right. Okay, so now this is the month and date, and then this one is the time, and again this is the day. Okay, next, the backlight, you can just press the reverse button on the top right like this. Okay, and you can also activate the auto backlight or auto LED. To do that, press and hold this reverse button for 3 seconds. Like this, and now here it is activated. So if you move or you tilt the watch in this position, it will activate the backlight by itself. Okay, and if you want to deactivate, you can just press and hold the reverse button for about 3 seconds, and now it is not active. Okay, the next tips is for the LCD check, and to do that you might want to move the watch in this position. Okay, and then press 3 buttons at the same time, adjust, mode, and forward. So like this, and you will see the LCD check screen like this one. And then press the forward button to show the next screen. Okay, again, the next one, again, and then now return to the timekeeping mode. Okay, in this timekeeping mode, you can adjust the time and some other settings. And to do that, you can press and hold the adjust button on the top left, this one. Press and hold, and now as you can see, the second is flashing or blinking, and if it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute by pressing this forward button, and if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute. So for example, this one, I will push the forward button so it will become 0, and you can see here it will add 1 minute 38. And sorry, I have to tell you that this setting will only adjust the digital time, so we will adjust the analog time later on. Okay, and yes, now we can move to the next setting by pressing the mode button. Okay, and that is this one, daylight saving or DST. And to activate, just press the forward button. Okay, now it is on, but I will turn it off. So I press again the forward button and it is now off. Okay, next, press again the mode button. And this is the city or the time zone. You can select by pressing the reverse button to move to the left side of the map or to the west. And you can press the forward button to move to the right side of the map or to the east. Okay, so for example, this one, you can select like Tokyo and so on, but I will just return to this one because my location is the same time zone as Bangkok. Okay, next, press again the mode button. And now we set the hour. 3 p.m. So if you want to change, you can press the reverse button to decrease. Okay, and you can press the forward button to increase the number. Okay, next, press again the mode button, and we are moving to the minute. You can press the reverse button to decrease. Okay, so it's like counterclockwise, and if you press the forward button, it's like clockwise, increase. Okay, and then again press the mode button. Now we are setting the time format. Is it going to be 12 hour or 24 hours? So for this case, if you want to change, just press the forward button. Now it is 24-hour format. And if you press again, it will become 12-hour format. And so on, but I will choose this one. Okay. Then press again the mode button. Now is the year 2023. Again, you can use the reverse button to decrease, forward button to increase. Again, press mode button. This is the month, also the same, reverse and forward. Okay, and yeah, this one is the date. You can use the reverse button to decrease, forward to increase. Okay, again mode button, and now is the length of the backlight or the afterglow effect. So this is the small one, means 1 second, and if you press the forward button, it will change to become the other. So this is the brighter one, or in this case it's going to be longer, so 3 seconds. And if you want to return to the 1 second, it will just press this one again. Okay, and I will just choose this one because it will save the battery longer compared to this one. Okay, but it's up to you. And then again, press the mode button. Okay, and done. Now we return to the setting of the second. If you're done with the setting, you can just press the adjust button, and we are now exit from the adjust mode for the timekeeping. And that's all for the setting of the digital time. And now I will show you how to set up the analog time, because the analog and digital time on this watch is not synchronized, so you need to set separately. And yes, let me press the mode button. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now you can see here H set. This is the meaning is hand setting. So in this case we will set the hands of the analog watch. Okay, and to do that you can press and hold the adjust button like this. Okay, and now it is showing the digital time, and you can use the forward button to move this one, the analog hands. So yeah, one press means 1/3 of a minute or 20 seconds. Okay, and you can also press and hold. It will move continuously until you release the forward button. Okay, you can also press and hold the forward button and then press the reverse button, and then it will move by itself, and then you can just catch up when it's almost the time that you need to set. So now let me just let this analog hands move by itself, and I will fast forward to 3:42 or something. Okay, now it's almost 3:43, so I will push this one. And yes, this is now 3, let's see, 3 almost 40. So let me press this forward button several times until it is okay. Now 3:44. Okay, about in this position, so this should be, yeah, 3:44, and that's it. You can now exit from the adjust of the analog time by pressing the adjust button, and done. It is now set. And that's it for the basic setting of this watch, Casio AW591 or also 590. I will make another video about the setting for the world time, alarm, and so on. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next video.